Hey everyone, this is Om from Civil Raja and welcome to our channel. So guys, today I'm going to discuss a complete journey of making of a 2D plan, or you can say the architecture plan. So basically a client came to us and he had some requirements, and I'm going to explain all the requirements over here, and I will show you how I have drafted that plan and what are the different steps of drafting that plan. Okay, so I'm just going to share my screen with you, and over here you can see the today's topic is 40 feet by 50 feet house plan, and you can see this is the house plan about which I am going to discuss. So let's discuss about the journey first. So he had a 40 feet by 50 feet plan, so it was a east facing plot. Okay, on the left hand side, that means on this side, the client had blocked this wall because he had another house already constructed over here, so we cannot open any kind of window over here. But on all the other three sides we can open the window because he had a space of 10 feet in the front. Okay, so he don't need any thing in particular for the parking in this particular plot area, so he will like just park his vehicles in that 10 feet of the space that is in the front of the building in the east side. Then on this side, okay, that means if I'm just going to show you the direction on the north side. Okay, on the north side he had again more than 10 feet of the space, and in the back he had almost 50 feet of the space. So basically he had a very like large plot over here, and his requirement was of 4 BHK. Okay, but what I did over here and how I modified it, how many rooms I came up with, that we will discuss in today's session. Okay, so at first I came up with a bunch of ideas like this. Like over here you can see I came up like over here I will place the drawing hall, then I will place the kitchen, then the puja room, then again I can place a storeroom over here, another bedroom over here, and the staircase over here, then master bedroom over here. Then this will be the passage because my client needed a passage to the back of the building. Okay, so that he can access it just inside the from inside the building. Okay, then I had planned another room over here which will have a attached bathroom like this, and this will be the another common toilet over here. So I came up with this idea first, but I felt that okay, this is not a very good idea, and this is not the wise use of the space. However, I was getting one, two, three, and four rooms over here. This was including the drawing room. Okay, so including the drawing room, I had four rooms, but I was not very much satisfied with it. And yeah, there was another room over here, so four bedrooms and one drawing room was there. Then this area was for the dining and the living area. Okay, so I tried a lot of other things, like I tried to adjust the spaces, then I tried different kind of a staircases. You can see was the first staircase alternative that came to my mind. Then I went with the dog leg staircase and try to like switch some rooms, and then I came up with it. I will have this L shape for the common toilet and this L shape for the storeroom, and these two sections will be for the attached toilet of these two master bedrooms. Okay, and then we will have four sections over here. First will be the drawing room, then the storeroom, kitchen, and then the puja room. And here I will have the dining area, here I will have the living area, and these will be the two bedrooms over here. So that was another alternative. Okay, but then I tried to switch the position of the staircase, and you can see here I had this whole thing named over here, but then I tried to rotate the staircase to see how much of the space I can get out of it. Okay, then while if I will rotate the staircase, then I had a long passage over here which can be used as a dining from the living room. But this was bringing up like this. Okay, so I will also show you this. Okay, so this was the another alternative where I have shifted the drawing room over here. Then I came up with puja room over here, kitchen, and the guest room over here. Then this was the like a vacant place. Here we had the staircase. Here I had the bedroom, another bedroom over here. Here I had the master bedroom. Okay, and then this would have been the storeroom, which was going from below this staircase. Okay, or the passage of the storeroom was through this staircase. So this was quite a like a spacious storeroom of 5 feet by 9 feet 11 inches. Okay, and I had placed a common toilet over here. So everything was good in this plan, but again I felt something like uh, this was not giving me a feeling of a home. And the another problem was like the guest had to walk all the way through this to reach out to the common toilet, so I had to like bring it closer. Okay, so that was my one challenge. Another challenge was to just make this more a home like structure. So I try to shift a few more things. So I try to shift the staircase over here, then I try to fix the like a bedroom over here, but nothing was working out. So I tried a different kind of a staircase. Okay, that was the next thing that was coming to my mind. So I tried a different kind of a staircase, and instead of the dogleg staircase like this, I went with a open well staircase like this. Okay, and over here I tried to start the staircase in this manner. Okay, so this is not the right position for the staircase. Like we always have to place the staircase in the clockwise manner when we are going up, but I uh, have gone with another alternative. And since it was just a ground floor plan, and even in the future the client was needing one additional floor, not more than that, so I could have gone for even the anti-clockwise staircase if I am going up. Okay, so I came up with this one. Then I shifted the toilet from here to here. Okay, and then I made a few more adjustments over here, and finally I came up with this plan. Okay, then I had to do a few more things over here. Like I had to make the furniture layout of this plan layout. So this is known as the plan layout, where we have the walls and we have this like columns placed over here. Then we had all the rooms mentioned clearly with the dimension over here. So this was the plan layout, but we had to make this like more like home like. So I made the furniture layout. And now what was the benefit of using the furniture layout? So since I was placing the furnitures over here, then I could place exactly where the windows should be. Okay, then after placing the columns, I again relocated all the windows. Okay, so I had to came up with the windows section over here. And you can see, and now I came up with this particular plan, and this is my final plan, guys. Okay, so it goes something like this. This is a 40 feet by 50 feet plot. Again, I am repeating this because to just have a clear idea of this. On this wall we cannot have any kind of window because this is uh, a wall that is directly attached to another building. Okay, and we cannot open any window over here. Then you can see on all the other three walls we can have the windows. Here I have given the entrance of the drawing room. Okay, then we had puja room over here, and then we had this guest room over here. Then we had this kitchen over here. Okay, so this was the kitchen. And then you can see here is our dining area. This was the like you can say this was the staircase, and it was moving in the anti-clockwise direction. Here we have placed the washing machine also, and here we had planned the basin to use by the those person who are eating over here. Then we had another bedroom over here, and you can see I had wisely just placed a cutout section over here where I can just simply fix my cupboard. Okay, you can also have the study table at this place if you don't want to have the cupboard over there. They are both the things are having just the dimension of the 3 feet width. Okay, so we can use any of them. Then we had this arrangement for the common toilet over here. Then we had this area to be used as a living room, and this is quite a big area. You can see over here, this is 11 feet by 3 inches by 25 feet 4 inches, and it is quite long enough to have even any kind of puja over here. Okay, then you can see we had two bedrooms, one on the left, one on the right, and I am rotating the bedrooms according to the need over here. Okay, sorry, rotating the cupboards over here according to the need. And then you can see we had two more bedrooms. One is the master bedroom on the left, and another one is a bedroom on the right. So in the master bedroom you can also find the space for the study, or you can also use this space as the dressing area. Okay, if you do not need a study over here. Otherwise, it is wise enough to use it as a study. and then we had a common toilet over here. So you can just simply identify the dimensions of the room. So this is quite a big room, 13 feet 4 inches by 12 feet. Then we had 14 feet by 12 feet, and the toilet is also spacious, 5 feet by 7 feet. Is a quite a spacious toilet over here. Then the bedroom is of 12 feet 3 inches by 11 feet 2 inches, and I can just make some corrections over here because inches are like typed multiple times over here. So I can just make the editing over here. I will simply delete it, okay, and then fix it, and then I will save my file. Another thing that you can notice, we had this living area. I've already explained the dimension. Then this bedroom is of the same dimension as of this one, okay. Then you can see we have the dining room, and that is of 12 feet 3 inches by 13 feet 1 inches, which again is spacious over here, and we can easily have a 10-seater dining table over here. Then we can have this staircase, and we have to go up from here, okay. Then we have a kitchen of 8 feet by 10 feet, and guest room of 10 feet 4 inches by 10 feet. This is not a square guest room, okay, and we have already wisely set the like what you can say, the walls of, sorry, the dimension of the guest room over here, and we have already placed a bedroom and a cupboard that is more than enough for the guest room over here, okay. Then we had a drawing room where we can place the sofa, center table, and even this side table over here. Then we can also have a TV unit right in the front wall, okay, or even you can have that in the this wall. Then we have a puja room of 5 feet by 10 feet. So you can see we have studied this plan completely, and if you want to me to study the furniture layout of it properly, then you can also just text me, okay. And where you can text me, you can either WhatsApp me on 8433248864. That's my WhatsApp number, guys. And you can also simply just write that in the comment section of the YouTube, and I will help you out with that. I will study the furniture layout properly over here, and I am also planning to make some short videos to give you the tips of the interiors. So if you want to go with that, then you can also go with that. Now the work is not ended over here, so we also need to go for the beam column layout. So where to place the beams and where to place the columns for this particular floor, that we can do from here. And then we had to provide this center line, okay. So these center lines will be like used when we had to make some plan layout, okay. So for that it is very much necessary. And guys, at this moment, I guess we have completed everything that has was meant to be discussed in this session. And guys, if you want to like learn AutoCAD, and if you want to learn how to prepare such a plan in the AutoCAD, then you can simply join our course. And how to do that, all you have to do is to just go to Google, okay. Suppose this is a new tab over here, then you have to just look for the Civil Raja app, Google app, okay. And then you will have to just go to the Google Play Store, okay. Suppose I'm going over here, and over here I will look for Civil Raja, okay. So just go like that, and you can install this app, okay. So you can check out the logo over here. So using this logo, this is the identification mark, and the a link of that is already given in the description, guys. So you can also get it from there. Again, you can also check out our website. So that's civilraja.co.in, and over here you will see that we are also providing the training for the building planning, like how to plan the building. And then I also provide the training on the like professional AutoCAD drafting, that is already included in the app. And we also provide training on the interior design. So for these three courses, you can simply enroll with us. And for that, you have to simply WhatsApp us at 8433248864, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Guys, that was all for today, and I hope you have liked this session. So hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to our channel, because we are regularly coming up with new videos over here. Okay, so guys, we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.